Assalamualaikum. My name is Roy Muhammad Momin from KG Dad. Today I am performing an experiment about production of carbon dioxide. So I need a balloon, baking soda, vinegar, bottle and a key. Now I will add some vinegar in bottle. Now I will add baking soda in the balloon. Now I will place this balloon on top of this bottle. Now I will mix vinegar and baking soda. Then they both will react with each other and will produce carbon dioxide. Wow! Wow, clapping! Thank you for watching.